plant lovers, do you like gardening? There's something so rewarding about growing your own seeds, watching your plants grow, and being able to harvest your own delicious veggies. Did you know that Science North also has a veggie garden? That's right, we're not just a science center, we're also green thumbs. Today, we're going to show you how we get started for gardening season and share some tips and tricks for you to start your own garden at home.
So grab your gardening gloves and let's get started. First up, have you ever heard of an egg carton planter? It's the perfect way to start your seeds.
Step 1, prepare your soil. I believe in you.
Thank you.
You can use potting soil from your local greenhouse or garden center, and you could even mix in some of your own compost. Add water so it's nice and damp. Next step, take your egg carton and fill each little egg spot 3/4 of the way up with soil. And then you can use your finger to poke the little holes for planting your seeds. Remember that not every seed will sprout, so it's a good idea to plant extra seeds, and if extra sprouts grow, you should pull them out and replant them so that every sprout has enough room and light. Cover your seed with soil and remember to water frequently. You're going to want to put your egg carton onto a waterproof surface like a baking sheet because water will seep through the bottom. Another fun idea is to upcycle plastic takeout containers like this one. These ones with the clear plastic lids are great because they act like a little greenhouse. They keep all the moisture and the warmth inside to help your seedlings grow. Just like with the egg carton, you're going to want to fill this up about 3/4 of the way with soil and then spread out your seeds. Remember to poke holes in the lid of your takeout container so that your seedlings get the CO2 they need to breathe.
All plants need light, so if you don't have a special grow light for your baby veggies, make sure they are in a bright window with lots of sunshine. If you want to give your baby veggies the best chance at survival, give them a little bit of wind. This will help them grow strong stems so they're ready for the harsh environment outdoors.
Now you may be wondering which seeds you should start indoors early and which ones you should be planting from seed in your garden. Most of this information can be found on your seed packet. Look at days to sprout. This will tell you how long you could expect to wait before your little baby plants come up. Sprouting time is highly dependent on available water and sunlight, but 7 to 14 days is the usual time for most seeds.
If you're planting something like lettuce, your crop will be ready to eat in 45 days. This means that you'll be able to eat fresh garden lettuce by mid-June and early July. But if you're planting something like bell peppers, those take 70 to 90 days before you get a mature pepper to eat. That means that it'll be well into September before you actually get to eat a bell pepper. By then, our weather is less consistent, the day length is shorter, so your peppers might not actually be ready before the frosty autumn nights. But if you start your seeds early indoors, you could be eating bell peppers by August. So plan ahead and do a little math to figure out which seeds that you should plant inside first. Also, make sure that you're planting veggies that you love to eat and realistically will be able to eat. Food waste is a huge contributor to climate change, so don't bite off more than you can chew, literally. Have a plan for the extras, like donating or giving away to friends.
Here at Science North, we usually start our outdoor veggie garden around the end of May. Once nighttime temperatures are consistently above freezing and the soil is workable. Please let us know if you grow veggies at home and share your tips and tricks for a healthy and delicious garden. Remember to follow us on our social media channels where we'll be sharing updates from our veggie garden at Science North.